Hello and welcome to part 2 in this little series of can solar panels have too much sun. And if you watched the last episode you would have seen how solar panels can get really hot and how the current can drop off when they get to those extreme temperatures, as well as avoiding warranties. In this series, part 2, we're going to look at a way of bringing that temperature back down and how we can bring the current back up. So as you saw from that little exercise, external temperatures have real-world effects on our solar panels. Quality panels like those from iTech World and Hardcore have the ability to turn off hotspots with bypass technology. But external temperatures is certainly something that we need to consider if we want our panels to last. Putting a sprinkler system on them is probably not ideal because it would exceed the IP64 rating. I did that purely just to demonstrate how different temperatures affect our blankets and our panels. So what can we do to deal with this? Airflow is super important. Panels like the ones from iTech have inbuilt legs to elevate the panels and keep them off the ground. Testing conditions today, we're only in the mid-30s here, and I'm on grass, but you can imagine if it was the middle of summer and we were beach camping, the temperatures that the sand can get to, and if our panels are sitting on the sand, what are they going to get to? I'll leave a link in the description to the thermal cameras that I use, which are very good for monitoring our panels. Thanks for watching. Get out there, take care. If you're in the planning stage of your off-grid build, one of the hardest parts is coordinating the components and reducing the risk of over-engineering or undersizing your system. I've made this super easy for you. Check out my Solar Sizer Pro at themusingmoose.com. Simply punch in your daily energy use, your peak power usage, your location, your preferred system voltage, battery type, panel wattage, and days of autonomy required. It will then help you determine the size of your solar array required, your battery bank capacities, inverter, charge controller, and fuse breaker sizings. On the next page, add the system voltage from your previous page, your expected current, which will be the breaking current of your protection, and the length of your cable runs. This will then give you your cable size required and the allowable voltage drops. If you find this useful, let me know in the comments.